A routine traffic stop spirals into chaos. A custody scare, a missing temp tag, and a shouted threat you won't believe until you see what the body cam captured.
Stand on the street if I want to. I can stand at the street. I can stand in the street. Do I have a gun? No, I don't. So you can't arrest me. Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go then.
Stop.
I have kids. Let me go.
Get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Let me go, because you're arresting me for no reason. Let me go now.
Now you're going to get another charge for
Let
resisting.
me go. I'm not resisting. You're arresting me for no reason.
Out of the car.
I don't want you touching me. I'll let somebody else.
Up against.
On March 26, 2025, an unmarked police unit pulled over a vehicle for speeding. What began as a routine traffic stop quickly turned tense, a dispute over an expired temporary plate, loud arguments, and claims of racism. The driver refuses to exit the car, fears for her children, and at one point, even threatens the officer. The body cam captures every second, the confusion, the rising emotions, and the officer's decisions under pressure. This isn't just drama, it's a real-world lesson in traffic enforcement, communication breakdowns, and how a small legal detail can spiral into a dangerous encounter. Stay tuned, we'll break down the key moments and what the body cam really reveals.
Miles an hour, and you're passing all the cars.
Sir, I know what I was
Did you
doing.
know that you were passing all the
I was
cars?
going 35.
Okay.
There was no cars on the road. It was just me and you.
Have you been drinking?
Sir, go run my lights and get out my face, please. Go ahead. Bye.
I'm trying to
Don't ask me
educate
if
you.
I've been drinking. That's a racial slur right there, because how do I look like I've been drinking? Because I'm telling you what I was going.
Because you're
If I was
doing
been drinking,
35
you
miles.
gonna do a breathalyzer or not? Okay, cool.
A check of the vehicle's temp tag would show that the vehicle had been issued a permanent plate. In Florida, once that's done, the temp tag is immediately invalidated.
Okay, so the temporary license plate is expired today and is no longer assigned. You have a new license plate
I
assigned to
have
the vehicle.
6 days to get a new license. Can you put my license plate back?
No, this license plate is no longer
I don't-
assigned to this vehicle. You
Yes,
have a
it
new
is.
license plate assigned to it.
Okay, well, I haven't picked it up yet. That one hasn't expired yet. So you can put my license plate back today. So I still got 6 days to go
So-
get it. So I would like for you to put that back.
No, that's not how it works.
In the state of Florida, you have up to 6 more days to drive with an expired license plate, temporary. So I need you to put that back before I be suing you.
You can sue me.
Okay, I need you to put that back.
When I
because
run the
don't have
license
my
plate,
tag.
it's no
I have
longer
go
assigned to the
get it.
vehicle.
It is assigned to the vehicle.
It's not.
So I need you to go
Did
put
you
that
see
back.
my
It's
computer?
a temporary. Do you need to see my registration?
No, I don't. because
Okay,
this
but
is
I
no
have
longer
30
assigned to the
days.
vehicle.
Okay, I have 30 days to get a tip. This is just expired today.
Yes.
So I have 6 more days to get my license plate.
Wrong.
Yes, I do.
We're not going to argue on the side of the road so I can get hit by a car
So
while
you
I'm
have a
talking
license
to you.
plate to put on my car?
No,
So I need to put that one back.
you need to go get it.
Exactly. So put that back so I can
No,
go get it.
it's not assigned to the car. I'm not having
Yes,
this
it is.
discussion
I
with
have my registration in my.
you. You're getting a
in
ticket
my-
today
in
for
there.
speeding. We can go in front of the judge and we can explain how
I
you
need
were
you to
speeding
put my
today.
license plate
There's a
back.
fine that you can pay or call the
I need
number
you
to
to put
traffic
my
court.
license plate back.
I'm not putting license plate back. You're free
Yes,
to go.
you are.
No,
I have my registration in
You're free
here.
to go.
Which you never asked for.
I don't need it. You're free
Yes,
to go.
you do. It's a temporary license plate. You're not
You
supposed
are
to
free
take
to
that.
go.
I need my
You are
license
free to
plate,
go.
sir.
You are
I
free
need my
to
license
go.
plate. How am I going to drive without a license plate? Make it make sense.
Just drive.
I need a license plate. How am I going to go
Stop.
drive without a license plate?
I'm not talking to you anymore. You're free to go. Get back in
Your
your car.
license plate.
Get
You're not
back in your
supposed to
car.
do that. You're not
Get back
supposed
in
to
your
do
car.
that. I need
Get
my
back
license
in
plate
your
back on
car.
my car. I have 6 days. You're not supposed to do that. You racist ass.
If you don't get back in your car,
You
you're going to
bitch,
get
you ain't gonna
arrested.
let me, hoe.
If you're going to
You
get back in
hoe.
your car,
You bitch.
get back in your car.
I'll shoot your ass.
Get back in the car.
I'm a license, bitch. What's wrong with you? Get the f out my face. If I slap your ass. Get the f out my face. Don't touch me. Freedom of speech, bitch. Get the f out my face.
2016. Send me a 94, 1018.
Get your ass out my face. Don't touch me. If I don't touch you, don't touch me. Simple. Get your ass out my face.
54. Just have somebody
Get
1018.
your ass out my
You're going to
face.
be arrested.
For
Get
what?
out of the car.
For what?
Get out of
What
the
are you
car.
arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the
What
car.
are you arresting me for? I need
Get
to
out of
know.
the car.
What are you arresting me
I
for?
told you to get back in the car.
What are you arresting?
You didn't
Okay,
listen.
so what?
So
I
get
can
back
stand
in
out in the
car.
street if I
Then you
want
started
to.
threatening me, telling
I
me
can
that you were
stand
gonna
out in the
shoot me.
street. I can stand in the
Then
street.
you
Do I have a
started telling me
gun?
that you were going
No,
to
I
shoot me.
don't. So you can't arrest me.
You're going to
Let
be
me go.
arrested. Stop.
Let me go then.
Stop.
I have
Get out of
kids.
the
Let
car.
me go.
Get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Let me go, because you're arresting me for no reason.
out of
Let
the
me
car.
go
Now
now.
you're going to get another charge for
Let
resisting.
me go. I'm not resisting. You're
Stop.
arresting me for no reason. Let me call
Stop.
my people.
Stop.
Don't pull me. Do not pull me. I'm going to
Okay.
call my people.
Okay.
Let me go.
You can sit here until my backup gets
I
here.
don't care.
You're not gonna call
touch
anybody.
my phone. You stupid. Don't touch me.
So you're gonna call more people?
I'm
so
gonna
you can
call
come
my
in and
people.
fight.
Say, come get my kids.
So
Are you
come
stupid?
fight. Yeah.
So I can go get my kids. Are you
Stop.
stupid?
Stop.
I have 2 kids in here.
Stop. Stop.
Don't touch me. Say, back up. Don't touch me. I'm telling you, don't touch me.
You're making this worse.
You're
than
making
needs
it
to be.
worse because I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
You're making this worse than it needs
Don't
to be.
touch me. I'm calling my family. Say, come get my kids. Is you stupid?
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the
Don't
car.
touch me.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Stop trying to touch my
You're
phone.
really making this
Stop
worse
trying
than
to
it needs
touch
to
my
be.
phone. I have the right to use my phone. This
No,
is
you
my
don't.
phone. Yes,
You
I
are
do.
under arrest. I'm telling you right now.
I'm
You're
not
under arrest.
for anything.
And you are resisting.
I'm not under arrest for anything.
You are
Back
under
up.
arrest.
Back up. Let me go,
Oh
sir.
my God. You're going to
Let
get
me go.
tased.
Let me
You're
go.
going to get tased. You want
For
to get
what?
tased in front of your
So you can
child?
go to sue so I can sue you?
Because
So I
I'm
can
telling
sue
you.
you? You
I'm
arrest
telling
me
you
for
that
no
you're under
reason.
arrest.
You arrest me for no reason. You arrested me for no reason.
I'm getting with District 2. We see Special 14 nearby. We're getting with them. It's getting to the
Motor 26V. I'm trying to go 1015. She's resisting. Get somebody here
I'm trying to get
1018.
somebody to come get my kids. I have 2 kids in here.
Let go and get out of the
I
car.
have 2 kids in here. I have 2. You are
Stop.
a speaker. He keep touching me.
Stop.
I have 2 kids in
Get
here.
out of the car.
I got 2 kids. I need somebody to come get my
Get out of the
kids.
car.
You're scaring my kids.
You're scaring your
No,
kids.
you
Get
are.
out of the car.
I need somebody to come get
Get
my kids.
out of the
no,
car.
I'm not getting out of my car. I'm not getting out of my car.
This is incredible.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. You arrest me for nothing because I said I'm gonna shoot you. That's not okay. So what? It's a freedom of speech, sir. It's a freedom of speech, sir. I can say what I want in my mouth. It's a freedom of speech. You're mad? You're mad because you're racist? You're mad because you're racist? Yeah, you're racist. You asked me, was I drunk? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Like I said, don't touch me.
How far is my 94?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Wait till your other officers get here. Don't touch me. I'll let them arrest me. You don't touch me.
You're funny.
You don't touch me. You don't touch me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop
Ours
touching
is
me.
just north of Jersey.
Stop touching me. I don't want you touching me.
9-4, they're 51 to you.
Don't touch me. I'm over here by Rosier Street, by my house. He's arrested me because I told him I'm going to shoot him and I don't care. Because you're racist, sir. You're racist. And I got my license, so I don't care. I got a registered license. I got a registered license. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. He keep touching me, and I told him not to touch me. I don't want. No, I'm not. I got kids in here. I'm not going nowhere without my kids. No.
Yeah, he's right here.
Motor 24, I'm 97.
I said, I don't want you to touch me.
Out of the car.
Somebody else touch me. I don't want you touching me. I'll let somebody
The
else.
car, up against the car.
Can you please come get my kids, Ronita, please? It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'm pretty sure it's okay, mommy.
Who's this
It's okay.
guy? He just pulled up to help.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Do not cry. I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't cry. Don't
Let's
cry.
get him out of the
I love
road.
you. I love you. I'm sorry.
You wouldn't act like this in front of your kids if you were sorry.
He took my license plate out of my
I'm
car
not-
for
I'm
no
not saying
reason. I have 6 days to get a license plate. It
What?
just expired today. Why did he take my license plate? I have a temporary
Why are you
license
act-
plate.
Am I-
He's not supposed to take my license plate. How am I
Hold on.
going to drive
Hold on.
without my
Hold
license plate?
I'm right here.
You're not understanding what he did. He
You
took
can
my
sit
license
beside
plate
the
off
seat, so
my
we-
car.
we'll take
In the
one.
state of Florida, you have 6 days to get a new license plate.
Ma'am.
It just expired today.
Ma'am.
It's
ma'am.
not even expired yet because today
Listen!
ended.
Shut your pie hole for a second. I can't get a word in edgewise. All you want to do is yell at me, and I'm trying to
I'm not
help
yelling
you.
at you. I'm talking to you,
I'm
sir.
walking back
You
to my
are
car.
yelling.
She got out of her car, started walking towards me, said that she was going to shoot me, started calling me all kinds of racist things because I took her expired temporary license plate. So I tried to 1015 her. She got back in the car. She started calling people. She wouldn't get out. And I
Ma'am,
would come
my license plate expired today. It's not even the end of today yet.
Hold on. You just need to calm down. Let me
Put her in the
figure out.
car.
You
Yeah.
took my license plate off my
understand.
car for no reason.
She's got kids in the car
For
too.
no reason. My license plate expires today. This is illegal. I'm suing you. I am suing you. You cannot take my license plate if it's not even passed today. If it was the 27th, I would understand. It's the 26th. You cannot do that. So you're going to jail. I'm telling you, I'm suing y'all. I am definitely suing y'all. I'm not playing. I am suing y'all. And you touched my phone. You hung up my phone. Yeah, I'm suing you, sir.
You did pat down already?
No, I didn't.
I am suing you.
Any gloves?
Just the bodysuit, so I think that it's.
Take a step back.
I don't think she has any pockets.
Well, I'm not afraid of my legs, so
Spread
I've
your
never been
legs.
arrested before, so.
Well, I'm helping you. Listen to me.
I'm spreading. How far you want me to go?
Step back.
Partner did illegal shit. He
We're
did
gonna
illegal
work with
shit.
that. I highly doubt it, but we're gonna figure it out.
Sir, he took my license plate for no reason. Today's the 26th. Why did he take my license plate? Today.
I haven't been here.
today.
Okay, I
That's
haven't
not
been
expired, is it? I'm confused. Is that expired?
here. Well, give me a minute.
That's illegal.
I just got here.
I'm trying to bend my legs. I can't stand up like that.
What's your name?
Jamila.
Okay, pay attention to me, okay? So, once
She's wearing a bodysuit, so she should be good.
I'll help you out. I'll figure it out. I'll be able to explain it to you. Okay? I'll be able to explain it to you. I got you. I will be able to explain it to you once I know what the heck's going on.
Okay, I
All right?
understand.
All right,
But
so
I
what
want
we're
to
gonna do right
ask
now-
you a question.
Yep.
If my license plate expired today, I have
Let me
until
figure
tomorrow
this
to
out.
get a license plate, right?
We're gonna get in the car, okay?
Candy.
All right, get in the car.
Yeah, kids are in the car.
Just relax, okay?
She got out of the car as I was walking back to the car and said that she was going to shoot me. She needed her temp tag back and all kinds of stuff. I could get out of the car, you're under arrest. And she wouldn't get out of the car. I just held on to her the whole time because I wasn't going to tase her with her kids in the car.
Okay.
I just got here. Somebody's calling. So, hey, all right. So, Mike, where's your mom's phone?
It was right here.
It's out here on the roof.
Somebody's been calling. I don't know who it is. They said it was grandma, but yeah, if you want to take it back to
Yeah,
her.
because I don't. It's
Yeah.
locked.
Yeah, I saw that.
All right, we're gonna get somebody here for you, okay?
So, well, he told me. You told me you were stopped for. He said for speeding.
For
so,
speeding.
All right. So he was probably giving you a warning for that or what have you. He said the tag expired today.
Right.
However,
Today's not over yet.
hold on. Let me finish. However, he said it'd been replaced.
I didn't know that. They didn't tell me that. It's a temporary tag.
Okay, but what happens is when it gets replaced, that temporary tag becomes no good at that point because now the car belongs to the new tag, whatever it is, a new temp tag, a new hard tag, whatever.
You guys have any water or anything? No?
But like I said, I've only talked to him for a little bit. But now the problem is where you are now is because of the screaming and yelling and whatever transpired prior to me getting here.
For me screaming and yelling.
Well, apparently you threatened him
I
and
did.
multiple things.
I did threaten
So-
him. That's not illegal.
When you threaten to shoot somebody, that tends
That's
to
not
be illegal.
illegal.
Oh, it's not?
No, it's not. If I don't actually do it, it's not illegal. I can say what I want in my
So you
mouth.
only think if you shoot somebody, it's illegal?
If you shoot someone, it's illegal. But saying it doesn't put action into it. Actually doing it does.
Okay.
But I did not actually shoot him, so that's not an actual arrest.
I got you.
So I'm trying to understand what I'm going to jail for.
Once we get all that sorted out, I've been back here
I
with
didn't
you
touch him.
almost the
I
whole
literally-
time.
You can watch his camera. I
Same,
didn't touch him.
same with him. He got here way after me.
All right, hang out right here for me for a second, okay?
How long is my mom gonna be in jail?
I don't know, sweetheart. I don't even know what's going on yet, okay?
He said, well, I'm taking. I said, you can't do that. I said, when did it expire? He said, today. I said, today's not over. I can see if it was the 27th. That's different. But today hasn't ended, and it's a temporary license plate. It's not like it's a hard plate. It's a temporary license plate. And he said, no, I'm not getting. I said, sir, you need to give my license plate back. And that's when I got out of the vehicle. I said, can you give my license plate back? He said, no. I said, you racist, I will shoot you. And then he came and grabbed me. I said, what are you grabbing me for? He said, because I told you to get in the car. I said, okay, I can stand in the road if I want to. It's not illegal to stand in the road. He said, well, I'm going to arrest you. I said, for what? He said, get out of the car. I said, I'm not leaving my kids in this car. So I'm trying to understand where and when did that become an arrest?
We'll get all that, all right? Don't worry. You know what? All this will be on body camera, so it won't even have to be your word against his. All right? I'm going to close this door. I'm going to give the deputy your phone for right now, okay?